This is my makeshift stand. So, I'm gonna bleach my hair, and then I'm gonna dye it red. Its current state is it just has some henna in it, but it should be fine. I don't know, I just used body art grade henna because I wanted my hair to be kind of red, but it didn't end up as bright as I expected. There's a little bit of regrowth. My hair is very oily right now. I got this kit, and I'm just gonna follow the steps and do a strand test. I've never done this before. Here's the developer. So I have not washed my hair since, let's see, today's Friday. This is my 3rd day here. So it's very oily. I was thinking about waiting to bleach my hair, but then I realized that then my hair will be greasy. So first I'm gonna do a test strand because I don't know how much it'll lift. Just below the ear because I don't have that much bleach. So, and this is going to be a 2-day process because I don't know when my dye is coming in. Okay, so when I got this done professionally, like an ombre, she teased my hair first. So I'm gonna do that. On doing this. Oh, she's thick. Ooh, honey, honey. Okay. I shouldn't have used my black scrunchie, but it's fine. Okay, so now we wait. So I'm going to check the integrity of my hair every 10 minutes and see where we are at. Alright, I hope that henna doesn't ruin my life. 15 minutes. Good news, ladies. My hair is lightening and it's pretty strong. It's been another like 15 minutes. It's exciting. That's so exciting.
First of all, so like, how long have you guys been working together. So it's kind of like torn away on it. Can't really do it.
Like, I'm excited. I might become a bleaching my own hair addict. Cause like, I was scared. Like, not scared, but like very hesitant to bleaching my own hair before. But like, this is pretty chill. My hair is very thin and pretty fine. So I think that that's why it's lightening easily. We'll check back and probably rinse it out next time. It's time. It's been like 45 minutes. It's time to wash it out. It's like a bright orange, and this is literally the color that I dyed my hair on purpose last summer. So, strand test went very well. My hair literally doesn't even feel that bad. I shampooed it with just an Herbal Essences shampoo, and then I used a little bit of this 3 Minute Miracle Moist on it, and I'm gonna let it dry, see how it feels. I'm gonna put a little bit of oil on it. Oh god, the bleach has gotten much taller. Oof. Oh, she's so light and fluffy. Holy crap. That's honestly amazing. Wow. Okay.